Contrasting the vowels, the little a and the o. A, o. Listening. Listen to and repeat the pairs of a and o words you hear. In the first column you hear the ah sound. In the second column you hear the o sound. Number 1. Bought, boat. 2. Caught, coat. 3. Sock, soak. 4. Not, note. 5. Got, goat. 6. Lock, loathe. 7. Ball, bowl. 8. On, own. 9. Dot, dote. 10. Con, cone. Listening discrimination. You're going to hear some pairs of words. Some words have the ah sound and others have the o sound. Using a sheet of paper and without looking at the video, write same if the two words have the o vowel sound, or if they have the ah vowel sound. Write different if the two words have the ah and the o vowel sounds. Then replay the video and repeat each pair of words after the speaker. 1. Farm, form. 2. Torn, tarn. 3. Honest, father. 4. Blow, blonde. 5. Gloat, glow. 6. Bomb, comb. 7. Known, flown. 8. Mobile, mopping. 9. Biography, biology. 10. Bone, bond. Voice recording exercise 1. In this exercise, you will read some sentences aloud. It is suggested that you read the sentences silently for meaning first, then you will make a digital recording as you read the sentences aloud. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so that you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. Pay particular attention to the ah and o vowel sounds in each word. After you finish, compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. Now listen to me read the 5 sentences. 1. However, the U.S. Army continually invaded this territory, creating problems within the known zones of the native economy. 2. Indeed, it is known that forms of dance play an important role within a culture and reveal a wide range of information about the characteristics of a culture. 3. Sitting Bull and the Sioux realized they could not defeat the army alone, and they must fight on their own land. 4. Ice speeds up the repair process and should be applied for 10 to 30 minutes on and off for not longer than 72 hours. 5. It is important to point out that adult feedback has a direct effect on development at this stage, again in helping the child to acquire the words to express increasingly subtle differences in reference. Voice recording exercise 2. In this exercise, you will read a paragraph aloud. It is suggested that you read the paragraph silently for meaning. Then you will make a digital recording as you read the paragraph aloud. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. Pay particular attention to the ah and o vowel sounds in each word. Pause the video to make your recording now. Next, listen to a native speaker read the same paragraph and try to determine what words or sounds you're having difficulty pronouncing. Young children typically overgeneralize their early words or Hausa phrases in the act of deciphering the semantics of their language. Thus, cat may be applied to anything with 4 legs. Daddy is any adult male. As the child experiments with increasingly sophisticated hypotheses about the meaning of words, previously acquired items may drop out of the vocabulary. An example is a 16-month-old who went through a period of calling his mother Lady Daddy. Finally, listen to the voice recording during which you will read along with the speaker. You have successfully completed this exercise when you're able to read along with the speaker at the same pace without too many stumbles or stutters. Young children typically overgeneralize their early words or Hausa phrases in the act of deciphering the semantics of their language. Thus, cat may be applied to anything with 4 legs. Daddy is any adult male. As the child experiments with increasingly sophisticated hypotheses about the meaning of words, previously acquired items may drop out of the vocabulary. An example is a 16-month-old who went through a period of calling his mother Lady Daddy. Articulation tip for the ah sound. The ah is a low back unrounded lax vowel. Unlike the o vowel, produce the ah when the tongue height is low in the mouth. Unlike the o sound, produce the ah sound when the tongue is soft and when the lips are unrounded. Articulation tip for the o sound. The o is a mid-back rounded tense vowel. Unlike the ah vowel, produce the o when the tongue height is in the mid-position of the mouth. And unlike the ah sound, produce the o when the tongue is hard and when the lips are rounded.